am at the international train station. I'm gonna take an overnight sleeper train from Bangkok to Malaysia. Hopefully I'm in the right area, but it looks like it's gonna be a packed train. It is gonna be a long ride. Let's get it. Since like 5. I'm trying to force myself to stay up, so I'll wake up super fucking early. Taking all the beds down. I think I'm like an hour from the border, Malaysian border. Not sure. But I'll keep you posted. Alright, about 40 minutes from the border. Had to use the restroom. One actually has toilet paper, but I always bring like wet wipes and stuff. But we got that old school squatty potty, go straight to the tracks. Got the bum gun, and then everybody can see it, the train next to you. Good stuff. About to go through customs. Whew, it is hot. So when you take the Trandon Lee, you don't have to get a visa on arrival, but you do have to go online, fill out this little form, screenshot it, just show it to them. They'll stamp your passport. Then you got to go upstairs, buy the ticket to Butterworth, and then come back downstairs. I'm going to Georgetown first, so I'm going to go to Butterworth, and then I got to take a ferry to Georgetown from Butterworth. But I think this is my train. Alright, made it to the Butterworth terminal. Finally off the train. And now I gotta get on a ferry to Georgetown. Going on 21 hours traveling. Fun stuff, baby. Alright. Now I got my ferry ticket. Fucking long day. Kind of easy. It's kind of self-explanatory. It's just fucking long and hot. But got my ferry ticket. Says the next one's at 1. But who knows? But yeah, almost there. Now time to find my hostel. I was gonna get a grab, but it said it's only like 5-minute walk from where I'm at. So you know me on that budget shit. I'm just gonna fucking try to walk it. Fuck, I just want to take a shower, fucking relax, and then go try some of this bomb ass street food. Yeah. Alright, made it to the room. Nothing special. Nice sized bed. Pretty comfortable. In a lot of places Southeast Asia, the beds are real hard and firm. Got an AC, little desk. $8 a night. Fuck it. 16 for 2 days. Alright, so the train ride from Bangkok to here, the ferries, the food, the drinks, the hostel, did all that under $50 US. So yeah, you can definitely do a lot on a budget. So yeah, if you like what I'm doing, help your boy out. Fuck, like and subscribe. Trying to get this shit going. All love, baby. Aloha.